Hi guys, join me as I walk you through on steps to remove Google account from Chrome. To start, open up Google Chrome web browser in your PC. Once it is opened, at the upper right of the screen, click on your profile icon. Click on the settings icon here to manage your profile. It will open up the accounts connected to your Chrome. Click on the three dots in the account and select delete. It will show you how many browsing datas, passwords, autofill datas and bookmarks on the device. So you click on the delete button here and it will remove your Google account from Chrome. Another way to do this is to open the Chrome browser. In the search options, you type in gmail.com or you click on the Gmail here, or you use your icon, your profile icon here. So let's use this. Once your Gmail account has been opened, you click on your profile icon at the right corner of the screen. You click on sign out. Then you select remove an account. Once you've seen the account connected to your Chrome that you want to remove, you click on the minus icon here. Then you press or you click on done. And it will remove your Google account from Chrome. So that's it guys. That's how you can easily remove Google accounts from Chrome browser. Ensure to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye guys, see you next time.